Introduction of Linshang LS196 Gloss Meter. Affordable price, simple and generous appearance, comfortable grip, all these make LS196 so compelling. It's suitable for majority of materials by using its 60 degrees geometry angle. The measuring range of the instrument is 0-1000 GU, and whether it is low-gloss objects or high-gloss materials, the LS196 can be competent for measurement. The device widely used in paint, stone, metal and ceramics, with its large measuring range. The measurement accuracy of LS196 is high. Gloss range meets the Chinese Grade 1 gloss meter standard, ensuring that it can pass the inspection of the authoritative Metrology Institute of China. How to correctly use LS196. After powering on, the device enters the calibration interface. You can choose whether to calibrate. If you don't need calibration, please open the bottom cover and short press the button to skip calibration. If you do, please check whether the standard is clean. If so, please wipe the standard clean with cleaning cloth. Then close the holder with the host, short press the button to complete calibration. LS196 has two measurement modes. One is the normal mode. That can measure easily and quickly. Just put the device on the sample and you can get results. Another is QC mode, in which the upper limit and lower limit to judge whether the material is qualified can be set and realize rapid batch inspection. How to set normal or QC mode. In the shutdown state, long press the power button to enter the setting interface of the instrument. First, there are Chinese and English languages to choose from. Short press the button means to select and long press the button means to confirm. Next, you will enter the mode selection interface. Here you can choose QC mode or normal mode. Long press the button to confirm. In the calibration interface, short press the button to calibrate. Then, you can start to measure. In the mode selection interface, if you choose QC mode, then measurement interface is not the last step of the setting operation after calibration. You have to use the computer to set the upper and lower limits to complete the final setting. How to set the upper and lower limits? Insert the flash drive provided in the box into the computer. Open the file folder and find the application. Open the application and you can use it directly. The icon on the lower left corner will be gray when the gloss meter is not connected to the computer or the connection is abnormal. Using a universal Type-C cable to connect gloss meter with the computer. Green icon means the connection is successful. Here you can set the upper and low limits in QC mode. Click the Setup button in the left. Parameters will be synchronized to the gloss meter. There are some other parameters in software interface. Here you can view the detailed information of the gloss meter. Here you can set parameter. Here you can switch the measurement mode. How does the LS196 measure online using a computer? Now, start to measure. Short press the button and you can see the result on the device screen and computer. Change another sample to measure. You can measure by click the measure button in the computer instead of pressing button. If the sheet column is red, it means that the data exceeds the threshold range and judged as unqualified. If it's white, then the result is within the threshold range and judged as qualified. Click the Export Excel to export the data to an Excel table. Click the report, can get a test report. In the report, you can see the result including maximum, minimum, average, standard deviation, lower limit, upper limit, total test points, number of pass, number of unqualified and graphs. Click Next page to view the detailed gloss value and measurement time. Click Info Input to enter the header and other information. Click Clear to clear all data in the data column.